Let's talk affordable lip liner. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 different drugstore priced lip liners
that you will love.
If you love your lip liners, grab a snack and keep watching. Lip liners that cost less than $10 but perform like high-end lip liners. Let's swatch them together. First up, we have the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This one is in the shade Brunch Me. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on my hand, and then I'll show you a swatch on my lips. I love peachy nude shades as well. I'm starting off with the NYX one. Camera focused on the wrong thing. I've gone ahead and applied this all over my lips so you guys can see how the color truly looks. It's gliding right on and is super creamy. I can't recommend this enough. Next, we have the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner. This is in the shade Baddest Beige. Guys, this is so creamy. And this one is less than $5. See how stunning that looks even without adding lipstick? And last we have the Morphe Color Pencil shade Petal. As you can see, all 3 are super creamy and they don't feel dry on the lips at all. I'm applying the Morphe lip liner. Also super creamy. This one is only $10 if you're in Canada. This is really good. I've had some high-end lip liners and this just as long. The high-end ones dried out. This one did not. So I definitely recommend this. $10, you can't go wrong. When I realized how good the formula of this is, I decided to get all colors. Let me know if you'd like to see a lip swatch video of all the Morphe lip pencil colors. These 3 lip liners perform like high-end, but they cost a fraction of the price. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I do sell Indian jewelry and suits as well, so make sure you check out our website. It is all linked in the description box below. Thank you and see you guys next time. Bye!